Silver booms to new highs, 100% up. YoY. Is a crypto breakout coming to Bitcoin, gold, silver? Bitcoin is down over 30% from its peak as crypto markets suffer their sharpest pullback since 2022. Crypto journalist Amin Ayan. Crypto journalist Amin Ayan. About author. Amin Ayan is a crypto journalist with over 4 years of experience in the industry. He has contributed to leading publications such as Cryptonews, Investing.com, 99 Bitcoins, and 24/7 Wall Street. He has author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 1 hour ago. Precious metals are rallying again, with silver stealing the spotlight while gold regains its shine, and investors are starting to ask if cryptocurrencies could be next. Key takeaways. Silver has doubled this year on rate cut bets, a weaker dollar, and rising industrial demand. Bitcoin is down over 30% from its peak as crypto markets suffer their sharpest pullback since 2022. ETF outflows and on-chain losses show stress in crypto, even as metals draw fresh investor interest. Gold climbed to its highest level in 6 weeks on Monday as investors increased bets on a U.S. interest rate cut, pushing spot prices above $4,240 an ounce. Silver jumped even harder, touching a record near $57.86 before easing slightly, and is now up more than 100% this year. Rate cut bets and weak dollar fuel silver's record run. The move comes as markets reprice expectations for looser monetary policy. Recent soft U.S. data and dovish remarks from policymakers have fueled anticipation that the Federal Reserve could trim rates as soon as this month. Futures markets now imply a high probability of a cut, and the dollar has slipped to a 2-week low, making metals cheaper for overseas buyers. Analysts also point to stronger industrial demand as a tailwind for silver, alongside its traditional role as a hedge when confidence in paper assets fades. While metals surge, crypto is wrestling with a very different mood. Bitcoin has shed more than 30% from its October peak near $126,000 and now trades around $86,000. Lin Tran, market analyst at XS.com, said in a comment, November alone delivered a double-digit slide, capping the worst late-year performance since the 2022 bear market. In the past 6 weeks, the wider crypto market has lost about $1 trillion in value, with Bitcoin accounting for over $400 billion of that decline. Institutional flows tell a similar story. U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs recorded roughly $3.5 billion in net outflows in November, the heaviest monthly withdrawal since approvals early last year. Investors have used the vehicles as a quick exit as macro risk rises, reversing the pattern that once amplified upside during the rally. Signs of stress also appear on-chain, where realized losses among short-term holders have spiked to levels last seen in late 2022, a signal of capitulation by late entrants and leveraged traders. Bitcoin ETF outflows ease as institutional base holds firm. Still, there are hints that the bleeding may be slowing, Tran said. Late in November, ETFs registered a modest return to net inflows, adding about $70 million. While small relative to earlier exits, the shift suggests selling pressure could be exhausting itself. Cumulatively, ETFs still hold close to $120 billion in Bitcoin, around 6.5% of the network's market value, indicating that the long-term institutional footprint remains intact. So does silver's breakout foreshadow a crypto rebound? Historically, easier money lifts all risk assets, but timing matters. Metals often move first when rate expectations change. Digital assets tend to follow once liquidity actually turns. For now, Bitcoin appears locked in a volatile range between $80,000 and $90,000, with the risk of a deeper test towards $70,000 if macro conditions sour again. In the medium and long term, if the Fed begins to signal clear monetary easing, macro risks ease, and ETF flows shift from net outflows to neutral or net inflows, Bitcoin will have the runway to establish a new upward cycle, Tran said. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. Crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. XRP price prediction. UAE just approved Ripple stablecoin. Can Arab Wealth send XRP to $1,000? Bitcoin price prediction. Robert Kiyosaki sounds crash alarm. Is the yen unwind the liquidity event BTC needs? XRP price prediction. $5.50 target by year-end 2026 realistic? Price analysis. Strange new Chinese AI predicts the price of XRP, Solana, Cardano by the end of 2025. 2 days ago, by Tim Hackey. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. Weekly RSI flashing oversold. Is this the BTC bottom before $100,000? 2 days ago, by Arslan Butt. Blockchain news. Asia market open. Bitcoin pulls back under $86,000. Stocks find support in Fed expectations. 8 hours ago, by Shalini Nagarajan. Best crypto to buy now in December 2025. Top crypto to invest in. November 24, 2025. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 2 days ago, by Inesis Tavares. Best crypto presales to invest in December 2025. 2 days ago, by Alan Draper. 14 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in December 2025. 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 4 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 4 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. November 17, 2025. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. 6 days ago. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. November 4, 2025. By Ben Beto.